You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 53. Creating a service request ticket on behalf of a user. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am already logged in as Bill Walsh, and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Next to search bar, we have create option. Click on create. In space, make sure that it is NetSoft IT Service Management. Work type, we are going to select as service request, and raised on behalf, request type is, we are going to select the request type as well. Request a new account. Request a new account. Okay, so the request type is request a new account, and we are going to raise it on behalf of Brian Tracy. On behalf of Brian Tracy. Summary, we are going to give create a new account for user. System, we are going to select Active Directory. Scroll down. A new user has joined. So a new user has joined and they need a access. Now we are going to click on create. Now let's move ahead. Now we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management, which is under spaces. Now we are going to expand service request, expand default, click on open request, open service request, and here we are going to ensure that a new request is created, NIA 11, it can be different number for you. Summary is create a new user, new account for user, and reporter or the request is raised by Brian Tracy, because we have raised the request as Bill Walsh but on behalf of Brian Tracy. Now let's open this request. We will validate. Okay, these are the details that we can see that we have provided. These are the details that we have provided. Description, Brian Tracy, yes. Let's close this window. So what we did in this lab, we have created a service request on behalf of a user. This user is Brian Tracy. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.